Can you tell us what transpired?
Give the space.
Yeah, you can go on. Yeah, I would like to have your reaction to the ruling by
we
the
just got a
court.
judgment on the enforcement of fundamental rights of Mr. Moyele Sowore. So it's the right to property. Yeah. And there was an erudite judgment that is right, the fact that his properties were seized by agents of SSS violated his right to property and have been mandated to release them forthwith, and aggravated damages awarded against them. We are very, very happy at that judgment, very, very happy at the judgment, quite well explicit and detailed, and we are grateful that at least justice has been done.
Thank you.
Thank you. I think the lawyer explained what it is in legal terms, but in layman terms, it is to halt the lawlessness of the DSS as an agency of government that tramples upon the rights of citizens. One of the things they tried to use in defending themselves was the fact that they were investigating me for alleged links with terrorists in the country. Whereas the judge told them that you cannot perpetually take somebody's property under the subterfuge of investigating them for a phantom offense. And they've been told to issue a public policy within 30 days. Two national dailies. And they've been asked to return my phones to me. I'm advising them that they should upgrade the phones. Yes, because that's since 2019, there have been several other iPhones that have been released. So they should give me back the iPhones that are in consonance with modern day telecommunication activities in their own interest. Thank you very much. And this is the beginning of Big Rania.
Who is a tyrant? Buhari is a tyrant. Who is a tyrant? Buhari is a tyrant. Continue.